One missed call from the police could change your life. I am Advocate Karanveer Singh Kohli, and today we are breaking down Section 35 of the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita, which has replaced the old Section 41A of the CrPC. If you ever received a notice from the police asking you to appear, this video might save you from getting arrested. Part 1. What is Section 35 BNSS? Section 35 of the BNSS is the updated version of Section 41A of the CrPC. It gives power to the police to issue a notice of appearance to a person who is not yet arrested but whose name appears in an FIR or preliminary inquiry. This notice means you are required by law to appear before the investigating officer when summoned. Failure to appear without valid reason, the police can initiate arrest and even request a non-bailable warrant from the magistrate. Part 2. Why it matters, Supreme Court judgments. Now let's talk about how the courts have interpreted this power. In the landmark case Arnesh Kumar versus State of Bihar 2014, the Supreme Court laid down strict guidelines to prevent misuse of arrests. The court said, police must issue notice under Section 41A before arresting someone in offences punishable with less than 7 years. This principle continues under Section 35 BNSS. More recently, in Satyendra Kumar Until versus CBI 2022, the court warned police and trial courts against bypassing these safeguards, stating that non-compliance would violate Article 21 of the Constitution. Part 3. What happens if you ignore it? But here's the catch. If you ignore the notice under Section 35 BNSS, the police can record your non-compliance, approach the magistrate, get a non-bailable warrant issued, and even arrest you without further warning. The law considers your refusal as non-cooperation, and you lose the protection of anticipatory safeguards. Part 4. What should you do? Here's what I recommend. Always appear if summoned. Take a lawyer with you, especially if you're not the accused. Ask for written questions if you're being interrogated. Maintain a written record of your appearance and submissions. This protects you from wrongful arrest or illegal pressure. Section 35 BNSS is not just a notice, it's a warning. Knowing your rights isn't optional anymore. It's your only defense. For more such practical, real-world legal tips, subscribe and follow me, Legal Singh KVS. And if you've received such a notice or have doubts, drop your question in the comments.